Well, I think we're about ready to go. So, teams at the ready. Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1.
Team 10652 managing to get that gold mineral inside of the depot, and Team 4097 dropping themselves straight off of the lander.
Hopefully they didn't take too much damage from that fall, but it doesn't look like they have any fatal injuries. 6712 pushes their gold mineral right off the sampling field and then just waits.
And Team 4511 admiring the view of curiosity as the picture lays.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
It looks like an FTA has unfortunately been called. This could be pretty bad for the Blue Alliance if they don't get their robot working again. Oh, no, wait. Oh. We seem to be having some issues here. Unfortunately, it looks like 4097 hasn't been able to get their robot working again. 10652, however, trying to pick up the slack, carrying two silver minerals that they've accidentally dropped on the floor.
As their arm waggles in despair, it seems that Red Alliance is making busy work in the crater over there, as Team 4511 is there for moral support. But they're doing their part as well as they grab one of the silver minerals, carrying it over to their depot.
The Alliance... the Blue Alliance definitely seems to be having some struggles. Both robots not moving anymore, while 6712 uses the chance to drop a silver mineral into their side of the lander. Not much movement.
Team 6712 struggling to get that last silver mineral in, and they managed to do it.
Fortunately, a quiet match. It looks like 4097's just kind of given up on their bot for now. Hopefully they can come back later.
Team 10652 seems to be mourning the loss of their teammate as they try to bring themselves together and pick up the silver mineral, placing it into their lander.
6712 ends up with a bad drop, landing their silver mineral into the Blue Alliance's gold mineral holder. Everyone's lining up to hang again, though. 6712 getting lined up right on that hook on the red side. Team 4511 doing the same. It's looking like 6712 has raised their latch mechanism, and they're secured and lifting. 4511 trying desperately to get it to hook on, but it's...
and it looks like Team...
And a recovery!
Oh, wow. That was a very good bounce back.
And the controllers are down.
And it seems that we have the results from Qualification 9 with Red Alliance as the winner with 156 points. Congratulations, Red Alliance.
Again, that autonomous and that end game really, really defining our winners here today.